Hey guys, welcome back to Fun with Fusion 360. In this video, we will be designing the Nike Nyjah Free 2 sneakers, which is not yet released but will be releasing on the 7th of August. Without wasting any more time, let's start designing. Okay, let's start off with forms. I'll create a face. In this plane, let's go to the front view. We'll make the basic outline of a shoe, or sneakers in this case. We'll say OK. Let's edit form. I'm placing this as the mirror plane. Okay. Let's bridge them. So we'll be putting our legs in here, so we'll delete this area. Let's subdivide. Exactly, okay. And then go to the front view. Let's make it like the shoe. Edit form. Front view again. Just drag this down. Drag this up. Let's go to the bottom view. We'll select only the vertex. This part as well as this part. We need to expand it. Coming to the center region. Now let's copy this. Before that, let's subdivide. I want to subdivide these both. We'll exact subdivide everything. I want to copy this and paste it there. So you see that there is a new body here. So we'll invisible that body, and the others, this region, let's delete it. Let's bring this body here. This is the tongue of the shoe. Now let's move it. Modify, move this way. Go to the front view, come a little down. Let's hide this body for now. Let's play with this. Go to edit form, like this and this. Go. This upwards. All. Alt down. Okay. Let's bring this body back. Let's go to the front view. Nice, looking good. Okay, you see that it's intersecting. For that, again we'll move it. Let's move it. It's not intersecting. Good. Okay. Edit form. Okay. Again move. Thank you. See to that it's not intersecting anywhere. Say okay. Okay, we made the tongue. We say finish form. So now let's create a sketch in this plane. This is to make the sole of the shoe. Create a 3-point arc from here to here. It will bend downwards. I think that's too much down. Let's take it a little more up. So here. Yeah. Take the line. Put 10 mm. Even this side 10 mm. Now we'll take the 3-point arc. I can make an arc here to here. Make a line. Even let's make the Nike symbol here. I'll use a spline tool, but I can't make the exact symbol, it's very difficult. I'll try my best. Let's hide this body, can't see the other one. Symbol looks good. I'll say finished sketch. Bring back the body. So now let's thicken the body. This one. Okay. Create, thicken this body -1. Now let's extrude this one, as well as this one. Be symmetric, creating a new body. Create a new body. Okay. Now let's combine this one. Tool body will be the shoe. Keep components okay. Combine one. Tool body is shoe. Intersect. Okay. Now again let's extrude this part. Distance will be to all. Direction will be symmetric. Take new body. Okay. Go to combine. Tool body will be the down part. Be body 6. Say okay. So now let's patch this one. That's our inside sole as well as the outside sole. Let's bring back these. Let's hide the sketches. And now let's make the lace. Go solid, create sketch. And this place. It will be a 3D sketch. Create a line. This point. to this point. To this point. Okay, that went wrong. Line, undo line. I'll hide the other body. I need body 3 only. Good. Nice, it looks good. Let's say finish sketch. Let's show the sketches. We don't want to see the first sketch, only the second sketch. Let's create a say 3 mm new body. Okay. Create pipe this path 3 mm new body. Okay. Bring everything back. Now let's go to surface, create sketch in this plane, to front view. Only a 3 sketch actually. Create a line from here to here. Create a 3D arc from here. Let's say finished sketch. Now let's go to surface, extrude this profile. Distance will be symmetric. Let's go to the right view. Okay. Hide the sketches. Now let's go to copy. I'll copy this profile to make a copy out of that. Let's move it to here. Okay, now let's combine. This will be our target body. Tool body will be cut. We'll cut it. Now let's again combine. Target body will be body 6. Tool body will be cut. So now let's start adding the colors. thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys have got a rough idea on how to design a shoe in Fusion 360. This is one of the ways. If you have any other ways of designing it, do let me know in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram as well as Facebook. The links are available in the description below. I will be coming up with even better ideas every week. Do like and share if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe.